Myself is Anjana Pawar from Edume College, Karad. Today we solve some example based on the logarithmic differentiation. So, what is my examples? What is my question? Differentiate the following function with respect to x. Write down my first example. y is equal to x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. So, given y is expressed in the form of u plus v plus w plus p. Okay. So, here x raised to e, which is a standard form. What is the standard form? X raised to n. What is the derivative of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus 1. So, we easily find out. But x raised to x is not a standard form. This is a function raised to function form. So, we taking log on both sides. But here we can take a log on both sides. So, it is a very difficult. So, we consider here this term only u. Okay, here v. So, y is equal to x raised to e plus w plus e raised to x, standard form. So, easily derivative. E raised to e, which is a constant, derivative is 0. So, e raised to e as it is. Since u is equal to x raised to x. Now, we can differentiate with respect to x. We can use here rules of differentiation. U plus v plus w plus x, yeah, whatever we can differentiate with respect to x. We can separate the derivative of u, we can separate the derivative of w, we can separate the w of v. So, differentiate with respect to x. So, derivative of y with respect to x is equal to e raised to x raised to e, the standard form x raised to n. So, what is the derivative of x raised to e? E x raised to e minus 1 plus derivative of w. W is a term of x raised to x. So, here derivative of u with respect to x. Now, e raised to x derivative e raised to x. And what is the derivative of e raised to e, which is a constant term, which is 0. So, we get here dy by dx is equal to e x raised to e minus 1 plus derivative of u with respect to x plus e raised to x. But we put here derivative of u with respect to x. So, what is your u? Now, u is equal to x raised to x, which is which form? Logarithmic form. So, differentiate with respect to x before, we can take a log. So, taking log on both sides. So, therefore, log of u is equal to log of x raised to x. This is the exponential form. So, taking power is front. So, log of u is equal to x, log of x. Now, differentiate with respect to x. So, 1 upon u, which is a composite form. So, derivative of log of x, which is 1 upon x. So, derivative of log of u, which is 1 upon u. And again, a derivative of u with respect to x. We can use here u into v form. So, x derivative of log of x with respect to x plus log of x is as it is, derivative of x with respect to x. So, we get here du by dx is equal to this u here divide, goes that side is multiply, u inside the bracket, x log of x derivative is 1 upon x plus log of x, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Now, this u replaced by x term. So, du by dx is equal to x raised to x inside the bracket 1 plus log of x. So, जैसे हम लोग साइन का डेरिवेटिव कॉस्ट रिमेंबर करते हैं, कॉस का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन, टैन का डेरिवेटिव सेक्स स्क्वायर, वैसे एक्स रेज टू एक्स का डेरिवेटिव एक्स रेज टू एक्स 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ एक्स. इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस या 2 मार्क्स के लिए ओनली. फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एक्स. सो वी कैन फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एक्स. द आंसर इज एक्स रेज टू एक्स 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ एक्स. जैसे हम लोगों ने अलग डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन कॉस फॉर्मूले बाय हार्ट किए, वैसे ही x रेज टू x का फॉर्मूला हमें MCQ के लिए या बहुत बड़े क्वेश्चंस हो गए कि जहाँ पे लॉगरिथमिक यूज़ करना होगा, तब डायरेक्ट आप लोग x रेज टू x का डेरिवेटिव x रेज टू x 1 प्लस log ऑफ x लिख सकते हो. सो दिस इज अ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. दिस इक्वेशन we can take second and this is my equation 1. So from 1 and 2 we get a final answer dy by dx is equal to e x raised to e minus 1. Now derivative of u with respect to x we can put here x raised to x inside the bracket 1 plus log of x and derivative of e raised to x which is e raised to x. So this is a final answer of given examples. Now take next example. My next example is y is equal to log of x raised to the power x minus cos x raised to the power cot x. Okay. Now this is the example expressed in the form of u minus v. But u is a function, is function raised to function form, and v is a function, also function raised to function form. So compulsory we can find the derivative of u and we can find the derivative of v by using logarithmic differentiation. But before you take a logarithmic differentiation, we can consider this is u term, this is v term. कभी कभी आप लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन यूज करते हैं. सपोज योर फंक्शन y is equal to f of x minus g of x term, but this is a function raised to function, this is also function raised to function. We direct take a log, so log of y is equal to log of whole term, and डायरेक्टली आप लोग क्या लिखते हो, log of, यहाँ पे a minus b लिखते हूँ मैं. सपोज a is my f of x and b is my g of x. सो डायरेक्टली आप लोग log सेपरेट करते हो. सो ऐसा कौन सा भी रूल नहीं है log of a minus b we can write log a minus log b. हाँ, जब log a upon b होगा तब हम लोग log सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अ रॉन्ग वे टू सॉल्व. सो कंपल्सरी फर्स्ट वी टेक अ u term and take a v term. So we consider here, let u is equal to log of x raised to the power x and v is equal to cos x raised to the power cot x. So we get here y is equal to u minus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So we can find the derivative of u with respect to x and we can find the derivative of v with respect to x. So let's start. Now u here log of x raised to the power x. So this is a function raised to function. Here two function. First is logarithmic function, second is algebraic function. So function raised to function, compulsory use a logarithmic differentiation. Means your first step is taking log both sides. So we get log of u is equal to log of x raised to the power x. Now we use the exponential law which is power taking front. So we get here log of u is equal to x log of x. Now this is the form of u multiply v. U is a standard function which is x and v is a composite function log of x. So we can use here composite rule. So now differentiate with respect to x. It is very easy to differentiate. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon u, derivative of u with respect to x is equal to x is a constant, derivative of log of x with respect to x plus log of x, derivative of x with respect to x. Now simplify. So 1 upon u as it is, du by dx is equal to क्या होगा x. What is the derivative of log of x which is 1 upon log of x and again a derivative of log of x because it is a composite form. So again the derivative of log of x with respect to x plus log of x as it is derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So we get here du by dx is equal to u. This u here divide goes that side is multiply inside the bracket x divided by x because log of x derivative is 1 upon x multiply log of x plus log of x. Now simplify x is cancelled. This u replaced by x term. So derivative of u with respect to x is equal to log of x raised to the power x inside the bracket 1 upon log of x plus log of x. Okay, this is my equation 2. Now we find the derivative of v with respect to x. So we can find the derivative of v with respect to x. What is your v term? And v is equal to cos x raised to the power cot x. Now again this is a function raised to function form. So we can take a log both side, taking log both side. So we get here log of v is equal to log of cos x raised to the power cot x. Now again we can use here exponential form, whatever power taking in front. So we get here cot x log of cos x. Now this is the form of u into v form. So we can use here u into v form rule, and this is the standard function and this is a composite function. So we use here find the derivative of this term. We use here composite form. First we find the derivative of log term and then we find the derivative of cos term. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of log v which is 1 upon v and v is depend on x term. So again the derivative of v with respect to x is equal to, we can use here u into v form. So cot x as it is derivative of log of cos x with respect to x plus log of cos x as it is derivative of cot x with respect to x. Now so 1 upon v as it is dv by dx as it is equal to cot x derivative of log x log cos x which is 1 upon cos x and again a derivative of cos x which is minus sin x. मैं डायरेक्टली लिख सकती हूँ, अभी आपको अच्छे तरीके से डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कंपोजिट फॉर्म आ गया है. So directly we can take a derivative of cos term which is minus sin x. Now next plus log of cos x. What is the derivative of cot which is minus cos x square x. Okay. Now sin upon cos which is tan. Cot multiply minus tan. So we get here cot x multiply minus tan x plus minus cos x square x multiply log of cos x. Now in this term minus term is common. Cot x and tan x. 1 upon tan means 1 upon cot. Cot is cancelled. So we get here minus. Taking minus sign is common inside the bracket 1 plus cos x square x multiply log of cos x. Now this we multiply here. So we get dv by dx is equal to minus what is v cos raised to cot x. So cos x raised to the cot x inside the bracket 1 plus cos x square x multiply log of cos x. This is equation 3. So from equation 1 to 3 we get dy by dx. So what is your dy by dx here? From 1, 2 and 3. So क्या मिलेगा हमें? dy by dx is equal to du by dx. du क्या है मेरा? du by dx is equal to log of x raised to the power x inside the bracket 1 upon log of x plus log of x. Okay. Then after derivative of v with respect to x, but minus sign है, so minus minus become plus. So यहाँ पे plus होगा cos x raised to the power cot x multiply 1 plus cos x square x multiply log of cos x. This is your final answer of given example. I hope you understand. When your function in the form of y is equal to function raised to function minus function raised to function, that time we consider u and v first. Means your given function expressed in the form of y is equal to u minus v, and then we find the derivative of u separately. We can find the derivative of v separately by using logarithmic differentiation. Now one more example we can take. Third example, y is equal to third example, y is equal to x raised to 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10. Okay, so again this is a form of y is equal to u plus v form. Okay, u plus v form, but u is expressed in the function raised to function form. X is a polynomial function and this is an exponential function. Similarly, x is a polynomial function and this is also polynomial function. So before we take a differentiation, we consider here this term is u and this term is v. So your first step is let u is equal to x raised to 10 raised to x and v is equal to x raised to 10. So therefore y is equal to u plus v form. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is my equation 1. Now we find the derivative of u with respect to x. So now u is equal to, what is u? X raised to 10 raised to x. This is a function raised to function form. So we can compulsory use log of differentiation. So taking log both side, we get log of u is equal to log of x 10 raised to x. Now we can use here exponential log. So log of u is equal to x raised to 10 raised to x log of x. Now it is very easy to differentiate because 10 raised to x is an exponential function which is standard form and log of x is also standard form. So we can use here u into v derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon u, derivative of u with respect to x is equal to 10 raised to x as it is. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x is as it is derivative of 10 raised to x which is 10 raised to x and log of 10. So 10 raised to x multiply log of 10 in this term. So du by dx is equal to u. This u divide here goes that side is multiply. This in this term 10 raised to x is common. Take it outside. Inside the bracket 1 upon x plus log of x multiply log of 10. Now this you substituting here. So du by dx is equal to, what do you get? 10 raised to x raised to 10 raised to x multiply 10 raised to x inside the bracket 1 by x plus log of x multiply log of 10. Okay, this is my equation 2. Now and v is equal to, what is v? X raised to 10. So again taking log on both sides because this is the function raised to function. So taking log on both sides. So we get here log of v is equal to log of x raised to 10. So again this is the exponential form, taking power taking front. So we get here x raised to 10 log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. It is a very easy to differentiate. So we get 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to, again u into v form, x raised to 10 as it is, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x is as it is, derivative of x raised to 10 which is 10 x raised to 9. So in this term 1 upon v as it is, dv by dx, these are cancelled out. So we get x raised to 9 plus 10 log of x multiply x raised to 9. This v multiply here. So dv by dx is equal to v in x raised to 9 is common. Take it outside. Inside the bracket 1 plus 10 log of x. Now this v replaced by x raised to 10. So we get dv by dx is equal to x raised to 10 multiply x raised to 9 1 plus 10 log of x. This is my equation 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 we get dy by dx. What is my dy by dx? Which is du by dx plus dv by dx. So what is my du by dx? Which is x raised to 10 raised to x multiply 10 raised to x multiply 1 upon x plus log of x multiply log of 10 plus we can substitute in here dv by dx which is x raised to 10 multiply x raised to 9 multiply 1 plus 10 log of x. This is your final answer. So again, suppose your function is y is equal to x raised to x plus x raised to x form या function raised to function form. Compulsory first take let u and v. The expression is y is equal to u plus v या u minus v, and then separate the use logarithmic differentiation. I hope you understand. I am stop here. Thank you very much.